As reported by Bill Gabbard for Fire Aviation, Park Police's Eagle 1 and Eagle 2 responded to the Pentagon immediately. The crews transported injured personnel to hospitals, served as a command and control platform, and used their infrared cameras to provide firefighters with intelligence about the scope of the fire. Eagle 1 took over air traffic control for DC airspace when National Airport's tower was evacuated due to smoke. Eagle 2 transported 2 patients suffering severe burns to Washington Hospital Center.
If somebody is injured but able to still move around on their own, then we can use this to hoist them up. For patients that are injured a little more seriously or can't be moved very much, we can bring them in what's called a Stokes basket, and that allows them to be immobilized and kept a little bit more safe.
We'll drag him out in Shenandoah National Park. The poor climber had been injured since the previous night, and nobody could get in to rescue him. Visibility was just zero almost everywhere. We had a rock face on one side and a pretty sheer drop off on the other side, and fog in front of us. So it was a stressful moment.
Minutes after the shooting began, Park Police helicopter Eagle 1 was over the Navy Yards. A woman who had been shot in the shoulder made it to the roof. She needed medical treatment immediately.
As we hoisted her up to the side of the aircraft, we're hovering and very, very vulnerable to ground fire at that point. And we weren't going to stay in that position any longer than it was absolutely necessary. So we didn't even take the time to bring her inside the aircraft.
We knew we were going too slow. So we added this ring buoy, which was given to us by someone on shore. And the rope that you see, folks, is the helicopter tow rope that we pulled the helicopter in. That was our high-tech rescue equipment. Well, I actually didn't know the skid was in the water until Gene mentioned that his feet were getting wet, at which point I kind of rotated the axis of the helicopter a little bit to handle the transfer of weight.